Security forces in Balochistan have successfully concluded Operation Radul Fitna 1, eliminating a total of 216 terrorists in a series of coordinated clearance actions. The Inter-Services Public Relations or ISPR reported on Thursday. The operation targeted Indian-sponsored terrorist elements seeking to disrupt peace and development by attacking civilians, including women and children. The operation followed a spate of attacks across Balochistan on January 31st, which brought parts of the province to a standstill. According to the ISPR, the security forces and law enforcement agencies supported by intelligence agencies conducted meticulously planned, intelligence-driven operations to dismantle terrorist networks. These efforts significantly degraded the leadership, command and control structures and operational capabilities of the militants. During the operations, 36 innocent civilians, including women and children, were killed, while 22 security personnel and law enforcement officers made the ultimate sacrifice defending Pakistan's territorial integrity and protecting citizens. The ISPR paid tribute to their courage, professionalism, and unwavering commitment. Operations were initiated on January 29 in Panjgur and the outskirts of Harnai district after verified intelligence confirmed terrorist presence. Earlier operations eliminated 41 terrorists affiliated with Indian proxy networks. Subsequent aggressive responses thwarted attempts by Fitna al-Hindustan to destabilize the province. Broader intelligence-based operations were launched to dismantle sleeper cells through combing and sanitization actions. A substantial cache of foreign origin weapons, ammunition, explosives and equipment was also recovered, indicating a systematic external facilitation and logistical support for these extremist groups. The ISPR reaffirmed that Pakistan's armed forces remain committed to combating terrorism under the government's National Action Plan and vowed to continue counter-terrorism operations until all threats are neutralized. Balochistan Chief Minister Sarfaraz Bugti called the operation a clear message to those committing acts of bloodshed in the province. He identified the banned Baloch Liberation Army as a fitna targeting civilians and laborers, acting at India's behest. Bugti stressed that Pakistan will not compromise on its unity, development, or protection of its people, warning that any attempt to destabilize the country will be met with a decisive response.